It ripped the phone wire off the house. I don't know if it's the old wire or the new wire, but yeah, that is ripped off the house. I think you can see it. It's just, holy shit. It's really bad. Really, really bad. On Greaves Avenue. Yeah. This is how I go under my people. Complete structural damage. So this is the building.
Here it is, guys. Just an update. Look at that. See under there.
All indications, this stretch of the highway probably will be impossible in a few hours. Waves are already reaching up to the road.
I look on beach. I see this come up on the road now, no? See both them there. So that's some of them. Mark, where are you with? Go watch, I see this in the road, you know, and I road me stand up.
Port Royal Main Road, impossible. Impossible. Port Royal Main Road, impossible. The sea has burst the bank. The sea has burst the banks. Leaving a lot of boulders on the road now.
We are in Duenipin, which as you can see is already severely flooded. We were told at least 20 people live in this vicinity, and wow, this is meters deep. We have a fallen tree here. We have people here still trying to get their stuff out. We have a family seeking refuge in this truck. Wow, there's water in my water boot. This is deep. This family in a truck. This is Duenipin. This house is completely inundated. Meters deep water. This is the sea.